Hi everyone, I'm here with another airdrop. This one is calling HyperLink Finance token. And I will show you how to collect 1 million of HyperLink token. The first thing, open your Trust wallet. Go to the dapp browser. From the link below, copy and paste the link in here. You will get link in the description. Don't forget to change this to Binance Smartchain network. Now, before you claim airdrop, I always check the official web page. We see here that the airdrop ends in 46 days. And HyperLink will be listed on PancakeSwap on September 3rd. It's good before you claim tokens in your wallet to check this Binance Smartchain scan to see if the token is real or is not some scam or something. Just click this. We see here that name of the token. We see it here how many holders and how many transfers were made, and a total supply of HyperLink tokens. Now we scroll down. Here we see the contract address. We will use this to add tokens in our wallet. So now let's go to claim our airdrop. Now go back. Now click this, claim airdrop. We see here that the token will be free, but we must pay some network fee. If this too much fee for you, you can play with fee. You go in here and you can change this gas limit. For me this price is good, so I will leave it like this. So now just click to approve. I will not, because I already claimed this airdrop and I got in my wallet. So when you approve, wait a few seconds to see the transaction is okay. Now you can go back down to Binance Smartchain scan and copy this contract address. I will put contract address in the description below, and I will put the token tracker link in the description below the video. So just click this. Now go back. Go back to your wallet. Click this to add token or activate it. Now here you paste contract address. You can get contract address in the link in the description below, or you can go to the link to Binance Smart Chain scan and copy from there. We see the token is already added in the wallet. You just need to activate it, so just click this. And now click on the token. And we see our HyperLink token in our wallet. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, subscribe and hit that thumb up button. See you in the next airdrop. Bye.